do I replace or repair a motion sensor PIR lens? The PIR lens translucent cover for my motion sensor for my outdoor light kit broke. Crumbled to the touch after about a year outside despite being made for outdoors. The sensor is now way too sensitive without it, but the sensor does still work. Is it possible to replace this PIR lens, or do I have to throw the baby out with the bathwater and replace the whole sensor piece? I am not asking where I can buy this part, and I am reaching out to the manufacturer now that I have the part name. I just want to know whether it is possible and worth my time to replace this part or the whole item. Alternately, can I repair it? Is there some sort of frosted tape I can use here? Question from user Josh DM at Stack Exchange. Answer: the item you are looking for is a PIR lens. These are typically sold in bulk, but now that you know the name of it, you should be able to Google for one to purchase. An example one is here. Answer from user Cyclops at Stack Exchange.